Hello everyone, welcome to our Travel Trend and Tech podcast. We're a group of tourism students excited to share how modern technology is changing the way people travel.
In this podcast, we'll talk about the three Philippines top destinations, Boracay, Siargao, and Palawan.
Each place has its own story. We'll explore how travel makes easier, faster, and more sustainable. So our goal is to help tourists and students learn how tourism industry becoming. So sit back, relax, and join us to explore the island and the technology that makes every trip unforgettable.
Ayan, first up, Boracay. Siya sa pinakasikat at fourth famous na island sa Pilipinas.
Alam mo ba, Marlon? Boracay is known for its powdery white sand and crystal clear water. Parang gatas na pino ng buhangin.
Totoo. And aside from swimming and sunbathing, ang dami po pwede gawin dito. Pwede ka island hopping, parasailing, o kaya banana boat ride. Kung saan mo gusto ng thrill.
Kung gusto mo naman ng chill lang, you can try paddleboarding or kayaking habang ini-enjoy mo yung sunset.
And speaking of sunset, Boracay has one of the best sunrise in the world. Every evening, nagiging golden yung sky, and you can watch and ride from the shore.
Siyempre, after ng beach day, Boracay nightlife is something else. May mga bars, fire dancers, and live bands na talagang nagbibigay saya sa gabi.
Perfect place for backcountry trips or family vacation. Boracay really proves that the Philippines is truly world class.
Agree! Kaya kung gusto niya ng ganda, saya at relaxation, in one island, Boracay is the place to go.
Hi everyone! Welcome to our first episode of Travel Trends and Tech Podcast. I'm Jana.
And I'm Marlon. So today, we'll take you to one of most beautiful island in the Philippines, Boracay.
Boracay is known for its white sand, clear blue water, and fine nightlife. Many tourists come here to relax and enjoy the beach.
That's right, but now, Boracay is not just about the beach, but also it's about smart tourism. With the technology, traveling here is faster, easier, and more organized.
You can book your hotel, flight, and even tours online in just a few minutes. No more long lines or waiting for confirmation.
Many restaurants and stores also use cashless payment, like GCash, credit cards, that help tourists spend safely without carrying too much money.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like,
Share, and subscribe
to our YouTube channel for the next episode.
Next stop, we're flying to Siargao.
Yes, Siargao is surfing capital of the Philippines, pero hindi lang surfing ang meron dito.
Exactly, Bernie. Bukod dito sa world-famous Cloud9, marami ring beautiful spots like Sumba Lagoon, Magpupoko Rocks Road, and Maasim River. Perfect for swimming and taking photos.
And kung gusto mo ng island hopping, visit Buyang Island, Dapo Island, and Naked Island. Super linaw ng tubig at sobrang relaxing dito.
There's more. Siargao is also known for its chill island lifestyle. People there are friendly, laid back, and love nature.
Oo, Yumi. Kung foodie ka naman, may mga local restaurant at cafes na nagsaserve ng fresh seafood and healthy island meals.
And Siargao is not just a surfing spot. It's a place to reconnect with nature and enjoy simple island living.
True, Yumi. Whether you surf or not, you'll fall in love with Siargao charm.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to Travel Trends and Tech Podcast. I'm Yumi.
And I'm Bernie. Today, let's explore the surfing capital of the Philippines.
Siargao! relaxing vibe and friendly locals, but it's also becoming a hub for digital tourism.
Yes, me. Many resorts and surf schools use social media and apps to connect with tourists. Like they post promos, room details, and surf schedules online.
Tourists can also book rooms, check surf conditions, or find restaurants with their phones, everything just one tap away.
And technology also helps promote eco-friendly tourism, reminding visitors to respect the islands and protect nature.
Through Birdie, Siargao shows that modern tools can help both local businesses and the environment grow together.
So if you're planning to visit Siargao with your friends and family, bring your smartphone and surfboard.
Thanks for joining us.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
For more episodes about travel and technology, for our last destination, let's go to Palawan.
Ah, yes! Palawan, isa sa mga most beautiful island in the world.
Sa Palawan, you can find El Nido, famous for its big lagoon and small lagoon, both surrounded by tall limestone cliffs at sobrang linaw ng tubig.
Meron din sa Coron, the stunning Kayangan Lake, known as the one of the cleanest lakes in Asia.
At syempre, hindi mawawala ang Puerto Princesa, underground river, at isa sa new 7 wonders of nature. You can ride a boat inside the cave and ang ganda ng rock formations.
And if you are looking for peace and quiet, Nakpan Beach and Port Bartonare, perfect spots to relax and watch the sunset.
Palawan is truly paradise, for lagoons to mountains. It shows the best of what nature can offer.
It's a must visit for anyone who loves nature, adventure, and calm island life.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the final episode of Travel Trend and Tech Podcast. I am Jasmine.
And I am Jana. Today, we'll take you to paradise, Palawan!
Palawan is famous for its lagoons, caves, and crystal clear waters. It's one of the most loved tourist destinations in the world.
And now, technology helps make tourism here better and more sustainable.
Many resorts use eco-friendly systems like solar panels and paperless check-ins. This helps protect the environment.
There are also digital maps and online guides that help travelers explore safely and responsibly.
Online booking helps manage tourist numbers, so the island doesn't get overcrowded.
Palawan shows how technology and nature can work together for a better future.
So if you dream for a paradise, visit Palawan, where travel is modern, green, and unforgettable. Thank you for listening to the Travel Trends and Tech Podcast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.